What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to free up memory in Google Chrome if you have a bunch of tabs open. So admittedly, Chrome is not the best at managing memory when you have a bunch of tabs open. So there's an add-on that makes this a lot better. It's called the Great Suspender, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So what you want to do, I'll open a new tab here, and I'm going to type Chrome Web Store. Click the first link, chrome.google.com/webstore. Then search the Great Suspender. This is the one I want, 4,499 reviews, almost 5 stars, 4.5. Add to Chrome. Make your computer run smoothly by suspending tabs you aren't using. So I'm going to click Add to Chrome here. Yes, this is fine. Add extension. There we go. It's been added to Chrome. It's going to open a new web page. I don't want this. Currently, it gives you some settings by default. Never suspend pin tabs, never suspend tabs. You can just change these on your own. I'm going to close this for now. I just want to show you how this works. I'm going to close this tab as well. And I have some other tabs open, like Wikipedia, a coronavirus article. So I want to suspend those other 2 tabs to save memory while I'm using this. I'm going to go to extensions right here in the top right. I'm going to unpin some of these just so this is easier to see. And I'm going to pin the Great Suspender. That'll show it in the top right here at all times. And that's what I want, so I can use this whenever I want without having to open extensions. Close this by clicking somewhere else, and then I'm going to click the Great Suspender. Now I'm going to click Suspend All Other Tabs. Perfect. Now my memory is being used way more efficiently. Chrome will run faster even if I have a bunch of tabs open, because when I go on these other tabs, they are not using up memory, they're slept. So if I click on it, it will refresh and reload, and it'll bring the tab back. Same goes for this one. Makes it a lot easier. If you're not using the tabs, just put them in a state that doesn't use that much memory, and then when you want to use them, just click refresh, reload, and it'll bring you back to where you were. Makes Chrome a lot faster. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.